Welcome to JK Innovation, leading specialist in heavy equipment. Explore our range of products and services to see how we can help elevate your operations to the next level. Introducing Hammer and Bit, where strength meets sophistication. Every swing and every turn are backed by the assurance of enduring performance. Whether it's the unforgiving conditions of a construction site or the meticulous demands of fine working, their robust construction and superior design make them the preferred choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Every project has a heartbeat, a rhythm driven by the hands of those who build, create, and transform. These are the tools for the innovators, the problem solvers, the dream builders. They stand as beacons of durability and efficiency. Trust in the strength and build with confidence. Contact us today to learn more about usenfojkinnovation.com.